Tailevu for a very warm welcome. Thank you. The Vice President for the World Bank for East Asia and the Pacific, Mrs. Manuela Ferro, my colleague, Honorable Assistant Minister Manuel, senior officials of the World Bank, government officials, members of the community, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Vik Vinaka Vakalevu for the very warm welcome. And it's my pleasure to be here on behalf of the government in Kaleli village. The Jobs for Nature program was launched in 2022 with an initiative to provide 10,000 Fijians employment opportunities, and at the same time contribute to mitigating climate change impacts. This project is a joint project with the World Bank, and I want to, on behalf of the government and on behalf of all of you, thank the World Bank for their continuous support to Fiji and the region. In fact, this morning, I said to the Vice President that we are indeed grateful for the deep and meaningful engagement by the World Bank with Fiji, and indeed their support during COVID with concessional financing and very deep and engaged technical support and advice in a number of areas. The Jobs for Nature World Bank funded project under the Fiji Social Protection COVID-19 System Development Project, the additional financing that will support job opportunities through small-scale projects for vulnerable Fijians living in rural areas like Kaleli village. The programs, or this program is one of the many initiatives that the government aims to contribute to the mitigation of the COVID-19 crisis. And we know that many families, many young people who lost jobs, who lost income, are still transitioning to sustainable income support or sustainable income earning projects. So this project, supports short-term job opportunities through small-scale ecosystem restoration projects for people in rural and urban areas as well. I know that you appreciate and understand the many activities within this Job for Nature program, and most of the activities of within the project are centered on the following: wetlands protection, mangrove planting, seagrass planting, restoring waterways, riverbank rehabilitation and coastal bank protection, enhancing biodiversity, waste and wastewater management, etc. Again, I want to take this opportunity to thank the World Bank for the support, not only for this particular initiative that we believe is absolutely significant and critical for restoring livelihoods of our people in the rural areas, for our young people, but also helping mitigate climate change impacts, which we see every day. We know, and our people of this village, and many others around the country, you are at the forefront. You experience the impact of climate change, impact of natural disasters, impact of extreme weather conditions on a daily basis. And therefore, this program is one of those important ones that contribute towards mitigating those kind of impacts. So once again, Madam Vice President, on behalf of the government of Fiji and on behalf of the people of this village and this community, I would like to express my deep gratitude for the support from the World Bank for these kinds of projects. Once again, Tailevu for the warm welcome, and I thank you for participating in this particular project. Naka.
So good afternoon. Nisa Bula Vinaka. On behalf of the World Bank, I want to express my deepest appreciation to Honorable Biman Prasad, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Honorable Isram Manuela, Assistant Minister for Finance, government officials, Tailevu provincial office officials, the Turanga Nikoro Loke Daulakepa, representatives of Kaleli Women's Group and Kaleli Youth and Sports Club, community members present here, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking you for receiving us so warmly in your village and allowing us to learn more about your lives and also about the Jobs for Nature program that was mentioned here before. This is a program that we're very proud to support and a program that we hope delivers results for the country and for its people and of course for climate, as the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister mentioned. This program is actually the first of its kind here in the Pacific region, a program that helps create green jobs that care for the environment while providing cash for individuals and families. And so in that sense, we already see that 1,200 individuals and their families have benefited from jobs provided through this program, and we hope that by the end of this project in 2025, around 10,000 families will have benefited from the program. And not only the beneficiaries earn cash while performing an activity that is good for society, but also they learn new skills. And these skills are taken forward and used for other purposes in the future. I also want to thank the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Itauke Affairs, the Ministry of Environment, and the Ministry of Forestry and Fisheries for the joint work to both design this program in a manner that is adapted to Fiji, but also to help implement the program. Yes. Now this work has brought together a large number of organizations. I understand there's about 90 organizations that have actually worked already on this program and includes women and youth groups. And it brings together solutions for environmental challenges, but also income opportunities for the community. And I want to recognize that 2 groups have registered for Jobs for Nature that are part of this village, the Kaleli Youth and Sports Club and the Kaleli Women's Group. And I have learned that, in fact, the whole village is engaged in this program by providing child care when women are working, and they're able to work because the rest of the village supports them with child care. And so there's a saying in English that it takes a village, and this is an example of it takes a village, exactly. So I want to congratulate you on the work done so far. We hope that it benefits the village, and I look forward to the talanoas that we will have after this, and learning more about your own experience with the program and what we can do to improve it. So Vinaka.
Great artifacts, like you get this in all the
Famous
It's like a